And I'm pretty sure this is 100% profitable because our entry is far away from support levels and because our strategy, the 7 level strategy, and we made a profit again for $4,692. Yo, what's up guys? If you want to be more serious about making money online with daily trading, I suggest you to join the VIP Club member because in the VIP Club you will be guided from a clueless trader to a trader who makes consistent profit every day. You will learn technical analysis from mafia traders using various strategy and you can even copy instantly all the trades that mafia traders do. If you are interested, please join the Telegram group or you can directly visit the website. Many of the members have joined have success in making money with daily trading. For example, Ryan from the USA and Joe from Egypt, they can make from $50 to $1,000 in just a few days after joining VIP Club and learning the strategy from Mafia Trader. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mafia Trader again. Finally, after a long time, I will share my daily trading video again. And especially for this video, I will make a challenge to make money online with only $1 capital to approximately $5,000. I know this will be difficult, but I'm very sure by learning and trying continuously, I will try hard until I success in this challenge. Because this is not impossible if you understand technical analysis like the one I will use this time, namely the 7-level strategy. Trust me, you will make it. Okay, but before we are going to the video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video because I'm sure this video will be useful for you to make a lot of money. And also, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description box below. In my Telegram group, I will share my technical analysis or you can copy my trade. And if you want to join VIP Club, you can visit my website, mafiatraderclub.com. Okay guys, let's go back to the video. Here, the first thing we need to do is prepare for a trade. Because we will use my 7-level strategy, we need to add indicators. You can add indicator by clicking this button and choose moving average. Okay, like this. And for the 7-level strategy, we need to setting this moving average. The period is 7. Go to the styles, change to red and choose 2px like this and save. That's for the first indicator. We need to add additional indicator here, MACD, and the setting is default. You don't need to change anything here. Okay guys, let's go to the next step. I will add a market. There's a lot of market here. For now, I will choose currency. I have a tips for you. Make sure if you choose a market, the market payout is more than 90% like this. Don't make any trade in the market if the payout less than 70%, okay? You can click the start button like this to choose a market you want to trade. For 80% payout, I think that's okay, but I prefer in 90% payout like this. So I think I will remove the market with 80% payout. Okay guys, let's go to the next step. This is very important. Make sure if you choose market, the market can make a trade less than 1 minute. So this market is only 2 minutes. We can close this market because the 7-level strategy is only work for 1 minute time frame. But if you have any strategy, that's okay if you want to make a trade more than 1 minute. And make sure this time frame settings is like this. You can click this button for the minutes and setting the second to 00. You can turn on auto time offset and choose 1 minute. Make sure the setting is like this. This is very important for our strategy. Okay? Okay guys, I think that's all for the settings of my strategy. Now let's go. I will tell you how to use my strategy and how my strategy work. You can see this is very simple. If you see all of the candles in the market is above the moving average, or we can call the red line next time, it means the market is in an uptrend. So if you see the market is in an uptrend, we can just buy option. Simple as that, okay? But for the 7-level strategy, we have an entry rules. In opening a trade, we don't do it carelessly. As much as possible, we will look for a good entry position so that we get the opportunity for more profit. So basically, after you make sure all of the candles is above the red line, you need to wait. You need to be patient. You need to wait until the price approaching the red line or close to the red line, or maybe touching the red line. So you have to watch the price movement carefully to make good entry levels. After you make sure the price is enough close to the red line like this, you can make buy option because the price will moving upwards. Okay, this is the simple rules if you want to make an entry. You can see you can open the trade here and definitely not here because the price not close to the red line. You can make a trade here. So even you make a decision buy option and the candles is bearish, you still make a profit because the close price is above your entry levels. That's the benefits of my entry levels. In vice versa, if you see all of the candles in the market is below the red line like this or the moving average, it means the market is going down. So this is a downtrend, we can make sell option. Very simple, right? And for the entry, you need to wait the candles is close to the red line like this or touching the red line. On this moment also, you can make an entry and you need to stop making an entry if the candles is crossing the red line like this. If the close price of the candles is above the red line for a downtrend situation, okay? Let's go. Let's try analyze the large market. You can see in this market, all of these candles is below the red line. And if you see in the MACD, there's a confirmation this is still a downtrend. This is a good downtrend, so we can make sell option in these entry levels. But there is something you will lose in this market because if you see all of the market, there is a support here. This is a support levels, so I think the price movement will bounce up. So don't make a trade in this moment. Let's try another moment. I will make a trade. Okay guys, here I will make sell option to open our first trade. Let's analyze this moment. You can see all of this candle here is below the red line, so this is a downtrend. That's why I make sell option. I have a good entry here, touching the red line, and in the previous candles canceling, breaking the red line. That's why we can make sell option when the candles is touching the red line. This is good entry levels. I'm pretty sure our first trade will make a profit. Five seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit for our first trade. Let's continue compounding this trading. I will try to find another good moment. In this market, this is a good market. I think we can make sell option, but we need to wait for the price movement is approaching the red line first. But if we don't have a good entry levels here, let's look at another market. Something like this. I think we can make call option. Let's analyze this market. All of these bullish candles is above trend lines, so this is an uptrend. We can make buy options And here we need to wait for a good entry levels when the candles is touching the red line. Let's see our trading. Okay, we make a profit again. Let's find another market. Okay guys, you can see here in this market the candles is breaking the red line from a downtrend. The candles is breaking here. All of the candles is above the red line, so this will be an uptrend. So in this market the price movement will moving upwards. We can make buy option when the candles touching the red line like this. This is perfect. Let's try to analyze again. You can see all of these candles is above the red line. So the price movement is moving upwards because this is an uptrend. We can make a trade when we have a good entry levels, which is when the candles is touching the red line like this. Absolutely profit here. You can make a buy option again here, but we are too late because the price movement already going up. Or we can wait for the price movement is going down, but no, this is too late. Let's try to find another market. Okay guys, I think we have a good moment here. We can make buy option, but we need to wait for the candles or the price movement is at least approaching the red line like this. This is perfect guys. You can see the candle here is above the red line, so this is an uptrend. And in the previous candles always make a tail like this, so I'm sure in my entry the candle will make a tail again because the price will going up. Yep, you can see we make a profit again, right? Always make a tail in a good market. Okay guys, buy option here. I open a trade in this market because I see all of this candle here is above the red line and the candles is always touching to the red line. So I'm pretty sure this will be a good entry for our trade because the price movement will moving upwards. This is very aggressive market, but luckily we made a profit. Let's compounding again. Okay guys, pay attention here in this market. I think we can make sell option in the next candle. Like this. Oh, we don't have a good entry, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure we'll be profitable because the candles here is below the red line. So this is a downtrend. And in the previous candles always make a tail and touching the red line. So here when the candles is approaching the red line like this is good entry levels. But because the price is too aggressive, so our entry is not in opening price of the bearish candle. Okay guys, I think we made a profit again here. Let's compounding again, $50. We are too late to open a trade here. The price movement is too aggressive. Let's find another moment. Okay guys, I made a sell option here. This is a perfect market. Why I say that? Because you see, this is an uptrend and this will be a downtrend. You see, there is a tail here and here. So I'm pretty sure in this entry, the candle will make a tail. That's why I make a sell option. The tail of the candles is our entry levels because the tail is indicate that the price movement is really strong in other direction. You can see we make a profit again, guys. Even the candle is bullish and we made sell option, we still make a profitable trade. That is because our entry rules. The close price is here and our entry is here. That's really good, right? My 7-level strategy is very simple and very powerful. And if you want to learn fully of my strategy, you can join my VIP club. My VIP club is free. You can just visit my website www.mafiatraderclub.com. Okay guys, I think I found a good market here. We can make sell option in this market. Oh, I forgot to compounding the balance. That's okay. We can all in. That's really bad habit guys. If you want to open trade, always make sure the time frame and the balance. It's okay, let's analyze this market. You can see the candles is below the red line, so this is a downtrend. When the candles is approaching the red line like this, we can make sell option. But here we open more than one trade. This is really bad, but it's okay because we make a profit again. So now I will make sure the amount of compounding trade and let's find another moment. If you move to another market and try to find a good moment, always make sure the market payout, the time frame, and the balance, okay? Let's see. I think this is a good market. We can sell option here. But we are too quickly because I don't have a good entry levels here. But it's okay because we have other confirmation. When I see the MACD indicators, the price movement is moving downwards. So I'm pretty sure this is a downtrend, so our sell option will be profitable. I hope. Let's see. Our trade is in loss positions, but yeah, we made a profit again. Luckily, our entry is high enough for the close price of the candles. Okay guys, I think this is good. We can make buy option in the next candle. Let's go here. Let's analyze this market. You know that this is an uptrend. And in the previous candle, not breaking the red line, so this is still an uptrend. When we have a good position here, we can make buy option. Okay guys, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit again. Let's continue. I found a good market here. I think we can make buy option. Let's wait for the candle approaching the red line. I think I don't wait for the candle approaching the red line, so I will buy option now. Why I made this decision? Because I see in the previous candle, this is a bullish perfect uptrend. So I just make sure our entry isn't tail of the candles. That's enough for buy options. Because sometimes in the perfect market or a strong market like this, the candles is not even touching the red line. So I buy option immediately and we made a profit again. And now our balance is $1,272. Let's continue our compounding trade. But before we continue our trading, I think I will add additional indicator again. I don't want to lose $1,272. I need to make sure our next trade is profitable. Okay guys, I found a good market here. We can make buy option here. I'm pretty sure this will be profitable because we use 7-level strategy with 3 combination indicator. All of these candles is above trend line, so this is an uptrend and we have a good entry levels. The candles touching the red line and I have 2 other confirmations. If you want to know about these 3 combination of indicators on my 7-level strategy, you need to join my VIP club. You can join just visiting my Telegram group or my website mafiatraderclub.com, and we made a profit again for $2,443. Okay guys, let's try to find a good market. This is good, but the confirmation say no. Let's move on to another market. Okay guys, finally we found a good market here. This is a strong market. We can make sell option in the next candle. Just sell option now. This is different, right? Because now I'm using the 3 combination of the 7 level strategy. I'm not only using the moving average as a confirmation of a downtrend. Even the candles is far away from the red line, I'm pretty sure the price movement is moving downwards. This is a downtrend. We can make sell option because we have 2 other confirmations. Okay, I only explain about these 3 combination of the 7 level strategy in my VIP club, so make sure join my VIP club. Okay, you don't need to wait for the candles approaching the red line. If you see a perfect market like this, this is a golden moment. And I'm pretty sure this is 100% profitable because our entry is far away from support levels and because our strategy, the 7 level strategy, and we made a profit again for $4,692. Okay guys, I think I complete this challenge. We can see our all orders is green. We make a profit in a row. But for now we can make a trade for $4,000 because in this account the maximum amount is only $3,000. We can continue for $1,000, but I think that's enough guys. I don't want to take a risk again. From $1 to $4,692, that's big money. That's a good achievement. Okay, you can see our close order is green. If you want to do like this, you can join my Telegram group and join my VIP club there. Or you can just visit my website www.maviatraderclub.com, or you can contact me on my Telegram at Navid. Okay, in the VIP club I will explain clearly, fully. There's nothing to hide. I will explain about 3 combination of my strategy. The 7 level strategy is very simple and perfect for your day trading. Okay guys, I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can comment in this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to make additional money from day trading, because I will share strategy, more strategy for daily trading. Don't forget to join my Telegram group. Thank you.